Cast on an even number of stitches on cable needles. I have 16-inch on 4.5mm needles. Join to work in the round. I am going to join by knitting the first stitch. So continue now with a purl one, then knit one, and purl one. Keep repeating that all the way around this first round. Knit one, purl one. When we get back to the first stitch, we are just going to keep knitting. We will knit the knits and purl the purls. So here's my last stitch. I'm joined there, and that is my first stitch marked by my tail. You can use a stitch marker to mark the beginning of the round, but with the ribbing it's easy just to use the tail here, which indicates our first stitch. We'll just keep doing that one round repeat, knit one, purl one, knitting the knits and purling the purls until our ribbing is as high as we need it to be. Once your ribbing is as tall as needed for your pattern, it's complete and you're ready to switch to the main section.